Hello. So today we will learn what is Google Analytics and how it works and how to create a Google Analytics account and how to set up Google Analytics on a WordPress website. So if we want to create a Google Analytics account, then we have to create a fresh email that I already made my Gmail. It's a fresh Gmail, you can see, right? So now if we search Google Analytics on Google and just open this URL, then we will see the type of interface. So now I'm going to show you how can you create a Google Analytics account. So you can see it's a interface. So we have to press the start measuring button. So just press it and then just put your account name. So my name will be Azaya Paradise, right? So now we will select all the point. Okay, we have to select all the point. Then we'll select next. Then what will be your property names? My property name will be same. It's a my website property. That's why I'm giving the name as a Paradise website. So now what will be the time zone? I am from Bangladesh. That's why I will select Bangladesh. But reporting time, yes, but the currency will be USD dollar because Google Analytics does not provide the BTT BDT currency. So the currency will be USD dollar. You will select your time zone and you will select your currency. Okay. Then you have to pay the show advanced option. You all know that Google Analytics update, and as we called is it's Google Analytics 4 or GA4. So now we have two options. We can create universal Google Analytics account, or we can create GA4 account, or we can create both account at a time. If we press the show advanced option, then we'll see this type of tab, right? So now if I turn on it, you can see the interface is like that. So you can see they are telling us that create a both Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics property, or just create a Universal Analytics property only. But we will create both. And now it's my website URL. So just copy the website URL and then do next. And what is your business size? It's a small size. And what's your industry category? So it's the e-commerce website. That's why it will be shopping. Yes, shopping. And what I would like to measure, right? You can select all the thing, or you can select these two things only. It's up to you totally. If you read all the point, you will understand what are they are trying to tell us. So I will select all the points, then create. And then you can see there is an option that I have to check out it, and then the uh, uh, location will be United States, and then I accept it. Yes, I accept it, and you can see it's loading. That means it's creating now. And then just pause it, and then now you can see that we already created a Google Analytics account and a GA4 account, you can say it also. So select all the point. Like they are telling us that they will provide email about their future update, announcement, feedback, testing, offer from Google, everything they will inform us on Google by mail. So I just mark all the point and do save. So now we can see that we already made a GA4 account. So I think you understand that it's the interface of a GA4 Google Analytics account. So I think you all know that it's already done. And now we will set up the Google Analytics on our website. How can we do that? I will show you in another video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.